This module will cover an overview of the lifecycle management use case using Device42. Many of our clients find their way to Device42 to address one or two needs that broadly break down into these three categories. They want to improve how they run the business day to day, such as improving IT service management, or they have a planned change event, upgrading operating system, database versions, or building out a new environment. And the other category is broader transformation and migration, which often involves a cloud migration or a data center consolidation. For this presentation, we're going to focus on the lifecycle use case, and we'll look at how a CMDB, or a configuration management database, can support IT service management activities such as configuration, change, incident, and problem. We'll also look at IT asset management and audit. So let's have a look at some of the lifecycle challenges that many organizations face. Often, IT executives need as much visibility as possible in supporting mission-critical business applications. They simply can't manage what they can't see. They need to know how IT is provisioned and monitored, managed, and secured. They need to be able to manage the costs and risks associated with activities such as security around cyber attacks, perhaps managing end-of-life systems to ensure regulatory compliance against things like PCI or SOX. They may also need to manage the risks and costs associated with licensing and cloud to ensure full optimization. SLAs may be being impacted, resulting in slower mean time to resolution. And technical debt may accumulate across or legacy systems, making it incredibly difficult to modernize through the lack of tools and processes that may well be needed. So why do organizations struggle with many of these challenges? In many cases, organizations do not have the required tooling or processes in place. They've had to make do with using spreadsheets or other manual documentation, which is likely to erode in quality as time passes. They resort to having the something is better than nothing mindset. If they have existing tools, they may no longer be adequate or fit for purpose. Perhaps the existing tool vendor is no longer innovating, and thereby the functionality available does not improve in line with the rapidly changing and ever-evolving IT landscape. It may be the organization is looking to replace internally developed tooling, which has become unsustainable to continue to develop and evolve. So the client is questioning, why continue with the self-developed tool when better, viable, and commercially attractive alternatives may exist in the marketplace that are more cost-effective to run in the long run? Lastly, integrations might not exist between different systems, requiring the client to have to re-enter data from system to system. So let's have a look at how Device42 can help address many of these challenges. Device42 can deliver an end-to-end lifecycle management solution, ranging from a CMDB that provides a single source of the truth within your organization. This gives you a clear view into your IT ecosystem to identify, manage, and verify all of the configuration items in your environment. Device42 can provide a deep and broad range of agentless auto-discovery capabilities to help you manage compute, network, and storage layers. Device42 can also help you track and visualize your hardware, software, and application dependencies. Device42 can help you understand your utilization of assets and services to help you rebalance your precious IT resources and then maintain them throughout the lifecycle. Device42 can be shared across teams and different stakeholders, providing valuable insights into the environment. So IT managers are challenged to meet SLAs and remediate issues quickly when they depend on manual processes and disaggregated systems and tools for asset provisioning, configuration, securing, and accounting. With Device42, overall IT service management can be improved through the convergence of systems. The Device42 solution discovers, integrates, and syndicates its data to other systems, such as common IT service management solutions. Data can be easily shared across our platform into tools like ServiceNow, Jira, Zendesk, and Freshworks. It can also enable increased automation through the connections of tools like Rundeck, Puppet, Chef, and several others. Other CMDB providers can also be leveraged, and data can be imported from the likes of Aperture, and data can be imported from anywhere. We have extensive integrations to many different tool sets. In regards to IT asset management, Device42 is able to provide functionality to manage your hardware and software throughout its lifecycle. Hardware management is made easier through the ability to import leasing and warranty information. We can manage maintenance and renewals with notices. We can monitor devices throughout their lifecycle from the moment you purchase right the way through to retirement. We're able to automatically generate QR codes for device inventory. We can also help improve planning with accurate financial data and budgeting and auditing reporting. Software license management is made easier through the cataloging of packaged software, patches, and versions. We're able to compare current usage to license counts. We can detect prohibited software, track license agreements and expiry dates, and identify purchased versus installed software. There are several benefits to Device42. IT staff can deliver increased savings and efficiencies through better visibility and improvements in their understanding of the data center and interdependencies, as well as automation and faster resolution of problems. It's more efficient software and other auditing efforts, reducing the cost and risks associated with failed audit, improve data center security, and support activities in service management such as incident, change, release, asset and configuration management. And by doing so, we're able to further reduce costs by identifying underutilized hardware and software, enabling informed decision-making for optimizing data center costs.